This is the beginning stage. Prabhupada started Krishna consciousness movement only about 50 years back, 55 years back. Right? So it's just a very beginning stage. Kali has already got his heyday for last 5,000 years. It took him 5,000 years to come to this point. So to counteract Kali, it will take some time. Now the question is what we are going to do. What we all are going to do. If we just don't take it up seriously, then it won't happen. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wants it to spread. But he wants it to spread through us, through his devotees. But if the devotees don't take it upon themselves, then what will happen? Therefore, get fired up. My point is, don't be satisfied just following 4 regulative principles and chanting 16 rounds. That's the very basic. That is not the ultimate point. That's not the ultimate goal. The ultimate goal is get up and spread Krishna consciousness. If nothing, take the mridanga and kortal and go onto the streets and start chanting Hare Krishna. Congregation. These are the things that we have to do to make it happen. Yes, if we just do that, if we take mridanga and kartal and go onto the streets and chant, it will happen. An example, Japan was going to bomb Calcutta. You know that, in 44, I think. Japan was going to bomb Calcutta because Calcutta was a big base of the British army. And people are evacuating the city. They're running away from the city because Japanese are going to bomb. One of Prabhupada's godbrothers who was staying at Prabhupada's place at that time, he was leaving. So he was going to Mayapur, coming to Mayapur. And he asked Prabhupada, aren't you coming? Prabhupada said, no. What will you do? And Prabhupada said, I'll stay here and chant Sankirtan. And Prabhupada did that. With his servant and 1 or 2 other boys, he took with mridanga and kartal and he went out chanting. Right? And of course, seeing him chanting, many people actually got inspired and also joined him. Now, Japan didn't bomb. They altered their strategy. Now, we may say, well, Japan altered their strategy, but why did they do that? Our simple consideration is that because Prabhupada was chanting Hare Krishna in the streets of Calcutta, Krishna saved Calcutta from being bombed. So this is the power of the holy name. And with that conviction, we should go out and start chanting. Not just in japa, but not only kirtan, but sankirtan. And that is the Jugadharma, that is the Jagga Sankirtan. So don't worry about Kali's effect. Like Pandavas, did they get worried about Duryadhana's army, which was much stronger, much bigger, much more powerful than his army? Why he didn't bother about that? Because he knew that he has Krishna with him, and he is with Krishna. So no matter how powerful our enemy is, we shouldn't worry about that, because we know that Krishna will smash them. All right? Thank you.